Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to host your meetings with Zoom in Calendly. To do that, you want to go ahead and open up whatever meeting or create whatever meeting you want. And once you're inside that meeting, you will have the option to select how you want to host that meeting. It's going to be under the location section. So what you will see here is, for example, location. When you expand it, then you can select Zoom. Here you will now go ahead and connect to Zoom. And so once you click on connect to Zoom, you will log in with your Zoom details. And here you will be able to link your Zoom to Calendly, right? So as you can see, you can connect Zoom to my organization, or you can just say connect Zoom for myself. So you can choose whatever option you want. And of course, once you click on, for example, the one for myself, you can enter your details here for Zoom login. And of course, you will be able to sync your Zoom with Calendly. And that's it. Once you're done, you click on save changes. And that's pretty much all that you have to do, guys.